7, 8, 9.
What would you say is the best thing about the club?
Apart from me.
It's been 15 years since I've been in front of the camera, and just as long since I've had a hairline.
Yeah, we're Taff 12. We're in the Cymru South now, where we've been in here for a lot of seasons. I've been here myself about 8 years now. It's a good club, it's a really good club to be at.
Best thing about Taff, well, I think it's the sense of community spirit we get here. Like I said, the attendances have trebled recently. We've got a great connection with the local schools and the academy, and we've got a good group of young local lads who, to be honest, really share pride in wearing the shirt each week.
I think our changing room is quite special. We have very good players, very good guys as well, and good mentalities.
A lot of us just believe in each other. We trust each other, so we just see where we could go with it.
In fairness, yeah, we've got a very good bunch of boys, and it's come together really well. Considering it's a relatively new squad this season, there are a couple of old boys that have been at the club for a while, but on the whole, it's a new bunch of boys and it's gelled really well this season.
Who are the troublemakers in the squad?
The troublemakers, the jokers. Yeah, you're looking at the pair of them, I think.
Yeah, so I'm originally from Germany. My girlfriend studies in Carmarthen, and I wanted to move to a city, so our compromise was Cardiff. She got me in touch with the former manager, and I just sent him a WhatsApp and said, can I come and train? You know, I was a little bit persistent, and then the club took a chance on me, so now I'm here.
How's your Welsh, Jan?
Cymru, Croeso, breuddwydio.
Tempo's high. Okay, let's go.
Big week for the club coming up, a quarter-final against Pen-y-bont in the Welsh Cup.
It's a big occasion for everyone involved at the football club, including myself. The boys are raring to go. We'll do all the preparation we can behind the scenes and get ready for the big occasion. We come across Reece on numerous occasions in the lower leagues. I've got utmost respect for himself and the club, Pen-y-bont, and what they're doing at the moment, to be fair.
Really looking forward to it as a whole. Squad are excited and just ready to go, really. I'm hoping we get a few down there, like you said, it's a little trip down the M4, 20 minutes away. It's not, you know what I mean? Can't go wrong.
Yeah, I'm very excited. It's some of the biggest games of our careers. We're quietly confident, but we'll see what happens. All we can do is play our best ability. Hopefully we can shock a lot of people.
Yeah, without giving too much away about our young guns and our prodigies, yeah, we have got a couple of tricks up our sleeve.
We're going to try and play with the ball, we're going to try and attack. There's going to be periods where we're going to have to defend a lot, I'm sure of that. We're hoping for a bit of luck, a bit of quality, and then hopefully for the semi-finals.
We've been underdogs in the last 3 rounds of the competition, and our boys have stepped up to the challenge, so hopefully we can do that again.
You never know on your day. You know, whatever team turns up on the day could win it. You've got to believe, haven't you? If you don't believe, where else you're going to be? What is turning up?
Taff, Pen-y-bont.